Alright guys, so today we're on this customer's, y'all can see, clean 370Z. He's gonna get some spark plugs. We're gonna put some spark plugs in it for him. He's having a slight misfire, I think, at idle, but yeah, he got the hood pop. He should have stuff inside. Where's the hood prop on this car? Right here. Okay, hood prop. I'm gonna set y'all up in a second. Hood prop. Let's see. Put this back. Okay. So kind of like the it's pretty much like the G37 that we worked on. You're gonna have to pop off the intake, throttle body, and we're probably gonna have to pop this bar off here too. Now that I look at it, these have a bar, unlike the G37s. So you might not have to pop this bar off. We might can get to those from right there. So all we have to do is really pop out the intake tubing, which honestly, having the bar off is going to be a whole lot easier to get to the intake tubing, because we do have to take these off too. Or I can just pop all that off with the throttle body and not have to touch all that. So to set y'all up, you're gonna have to pop this off also. This little cover for the cowl, and that should be it. Intake shouldn't have to be moved. Pop that off right there, and that off, and sensor, and yeah, that should be all. So actually, just get into it. You gotta take these 14s out. Get this bar off, and that's gonna give us space to get the cover and all that off. We're gonna break these off, and I'm gonna get the 3 on the other side. And 2 back here. Just got the Z done, y'all. Exactly how we found it. Sounds damn good too. It's for sale too. It's definitely it's for sale too. This is loud. I forget how big the exhaust is. This is nice, bro. But yeah, guys, that's that. We're done on the Z. Spark plugs in. Everything is good to go. Yeah, that's everything. Yeah, that clip on the